Welcome back to Wicked F150. And as you can see, we are at the back end of the truck today. If you can see the two little bulbs right here. So this is something that everybody changes. Well, let me rephrase. Some people don't like to change anything, so it can't be everybody. Most people like to change the tag lights because they're horrible halogen lights that don't really light anything up. They look like crap. You change them to LEDs. So this is another wonderful F150 LED product, and it's just tag lights. It's a super awesome, great quality upgrade you can do for $22. That's it. And I want to show you guys the difference. So these here on the left are the cheap LEDs that you can get off Amazon, and the ones on the right are the ones from F150 LEDs. So as you can see, it has the Amazon one little chip, one chip right on the front, and then for whatever reason it has one on each side, which doesn't really give you any light output out, because it's facing this way, so it really doesn't do anything for the sides. But right here on the front, this one has what is it, 12 LED chips for your license plate lights. So I realize it's daytime. I will do a dark comparison, but at the moment, okay, F150 LEDs, Amazon. You see the one little dot right here, a lot of light. And that's kind of what out of all the videos that I hope you have watched by now from F150 LEDs, that's kind of a theme with them, a whole lot of light, great quality product. I mean, the rear light, the cube lights here, I use them every single day. They are amazing. And the biggest thing, which I see a lot of from other rear lights, is glare on the camera. No glare from these whatsoever. And it lights up like 50 feet behind me. Same concept with these. It will light up the entire back license plate area. That is kind of a necessity. And they're going to last. That is the biggest thing. You don't want to get pulled over because your bulb's out because you got a cheap Amazon bulb. So let's go ahead and show you how to install these. Literally 5 minutes. So you go right under your truck. See the bulb right there. Let's focus. Okay. Bulb is right there. Sorry. You turn it counterclockwise and it pulls out. You drop it down and you pull the bulb out. It is just a little, as you can see, it's just a little chip. So you just pull it out and put the new one in. It is that easy, but I cannot do that with one hand. So hold on. Okay, so now the new one is in. Now I find it easier instead of going up in between here because my hand don't fit. So lay it up on the frame, your bumper here, and go from the other side. Take your arm up and around, and then just line up the holes again, and then twist it clockwise, and you get it locked back into place. Now let's see what both of these, and beautiful, light up like crazy. I cannot wait to see these and show you guys these at night. So let's go ahead and flip to the dark. And now it is dark, and now you can see how bright they are. Just look at all that F150 LED light. I'm telling you what, from up at the top to down at the bottom, super, super bright. Love them. And they're perfectly white lights too. I mean, you really can't get any better than these. They're great price-wise, amazing quality, super simple install. Go ahead and grab yourself some tag lights. You won't ever get pulled over for your tag lights again. I hope you all have a great evening. Don't forget to check them out, f150leds.com, for all your F150 lighting needs, period. Headlights, fog lights, light bars, rear lights, running board lights, anything you possibly need light-wise, they have it. Have a great evening. Hit the like and subscribe button. See y'all next.